International Date Line, an imaginary line established in 1884, passes through the mid-Pacific Ocean and roughly follows 180-degree longitude north-south line on the Earth. It's so-called 180-degree longitude, also called international date line. It's because either two sides of the international date line have two different dates. If two persons start from 0-degree longitude, one goes towards east and the other towards west, then the one traveling towards east is ahead by 12 hours and the traveling towards west is behind by 12 hours when they again meet at 180 degree. So the total time difference between both of